Hello.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah. Woohoo! Hello.
Three at the door. Five, pick up six. 8, a little straight. 9, 10, a big fat head. 11, 12, big duck nail. 13, 14 makes a cutting.
Uh-huh.
15, 16 makes a kitchen.
Yeah.
17, 18 makes him waiting. 19, 20, my plate is empty. Let's do it one more time.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Knock at the door.
Hi.
5, 6, pick up 6.
Yeah.
8, little straight. 9, 10, a big fat head. 11, 12, big duck tail.
Hi.
13, 14 makes a cutting. 15, 16 makes the kitchen. 17, 18 makes him waiting. 19, 20, my plate is empty.
Hey, kiddos and parents. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Can you subscribe to our channel and hit that like button? It really, really, really helps recommend our video to other parents on YouTube. Bye-bye!
Hey, Ruby, wait for me. Bye-bye. Surprise! We're back. Thanks for watching. Can you give me a big smile before I leave?